just got my box of nursing supplements, and this one is from Mama's Select, and I chose the Malunggay. It's also known as Moringa, and it is designed to promote milk production in nursing moms. And this is actually a pretty cool one because not only is it organic, it is also made in the United States. How cool is that? So not only are you buying local, you're getting local organic stuff. So I found that really cool. I've already opened it because I wanted to see ahead of time. But these are the tablets. Fabulous little gel capsules with the product inside. And there are 120 in each of these containers. Right here. And this also is really cool because it has antifungal and antibacterial properties, and it is full of antioxidants. It's definitely something I'm really excited to try.